Guys, here a quick tutorial about playing Diablo on porting kit, the GG.com version. In this case, Diablo was re-released on GG.com in cooperation with Blizzard last week. So I added this source, GOG.com source, into porting kit to be able to play this game. Well, first of all, you need porting kit, which you can download from the porting kit website, and you need the setup file from GG.com, the offline backup setup file, and not the Go Galaxy file. I will show you in a second. So if you downloaded it, you can open porting kit, and then on the server tab, well, the server tab and local tab, will be a server tab only shortly with a new update of porting kit. The local tab will be in here, so there's no confusion about tabs. So in this case, just search for Diablo, and as you can see, Diablo is here. You have two sources, the GG.com version and the CD version, or at least Blizzard version. So what you have to do is first download the setup file. Download the offline backup game installer file. This is the setup file. Just click on it to download it on your library. If you purchased it on GOG.com. If it is when it is downloaded on into your download folder, you can start the installation. Let's get to there. As you can see here, you will see the install button. Click on install. Use the GOG.com version. Click on install now. Here the same story is mentioned to download the offline backup game installer. Don't download the blue button. That's the short version of what needs to be done. So we can start now the installation. Just click next, next, next. The installation will start. Always check the notes of the application. As you can see here, it has some notes for the CD version and some main information. As you can see here, that on the game menu on this game, it has some major glitches. So you have to navigate with your keyboard with it, with the keys and the enter button. But I will show you that in a few moments. It will first creating all the necessary steps for the app, and then it will start the setup file which you have downloaded from the GG.com website. Click on OK. You can select Red Daola and click on install. Well, this will take a little bit, so I will be right back with you guys. It ends with a few runtime thingies here, as most GG.com games. Simply click exit. You will get the end message of the installation. Close. And you will see here the play button. You will see here speel, that's Dutch, but for play. What is important is that if you go here, you need the cursor keys and the space to navigate through the to the menu. So let's start. Okay. You have to wait a few seconds. There we were. Okay. Name. Bit. There we go. Okay.
Whoa! What can I do for you?
Okay, from here on, it will just work fine. You can do the fighting and everything. So only the menu is a little bit glitchy. So just take it on. Okay. Well, enjoy the game. And see you back on Poldertool.com. Bye bye.